Here behind me, you'll see the talent store. This is really the way that we're opening up opportunities for new people at Glee.
The students had to come up with something which inspires customers, something a little bit different.
The concept is colour saturation.
It's all based around the houseplants, the heroes of it. We've all come together with our different ideas.
Everyone had an input and we were really happy with the result. The concept is Bug Hotel, but for people. We tried to incorporate a lot of pollinating plants and wildlife-friendly plants and thought about sustainability as well, which is obviously a hot topic. Key takeaways that we've learned from the mentors is about stepping back and looking at the whole scene and not focusing too much on detail.
What we judge them on is how they group the product together, the whole visual impact it would have on the customer, how they guide the customer through the pop-up shop with interesting display areas.
I think the standard of visual merchandising in garden centres has been increasing dramatically over the last few years, and we want to do is encourage that to carry on increasing.